English Vocabulary 4. CSS and PMS Exam. Part 1. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. One, meretricious, adjective gaudy, flashy. Synonyms, garish, loud. Antonyms, genuine, real. Sentence, he believes in living a meretricious life. 2, bellicose, adjective belligerent. Synonyms, combative, hostile. Antonyms, agreeable, calm. Sentence, she comes across bellicose to men who approach her. 3, sniper, noun bandit. Synonyms, criminal, crook. Antonyms, law, police. Sentence, he is a notorious sniper. 4, a foible, noun shortcoming. Synonyms, eccentricity, frailty. Antonyms, advantage, normality. Sentence, I can't let this whole project work go wrong just because of some foible. 5, gloat, verb exclaim triumph. Synonyms, rejoice, relish. Antonyms, be sad, commiserate. Sentence, the winning team was polite enough to not gloat over its huge win. 6, imbue, verb inculcate. Synonyms, ingrain, instill. Antonyms, drain, take out. Sentence, when cinnamon is added to the sweet potato batter, it will imbue the pie with a hint of spice. 7, haggle, verb bicker. Synonyms, barter, quibble. Antonyms, agree, concur. Sentence, I'll pay the sticker price because I do not want to haggle with the trader. 8, fritter, verb waste away. Synonyms, misspend, dally. Antonyms, conserve, preserve. Sentence, it is advised to not to fritter your money. 9, grasp, noun understanding. Synonyms, awareness, knowledge. Antonyms, ignorance, avoidance. Sentence, I like his grasp over the subject. 10, flinch, verb avoid. Synonyms, dodge, duck. Antonyms, face, confront. Sentence, do not try to flinch your duties. 11, blandishment, noun flattery. Synonyms, adulation, cajolery. Antonyms, criticism, condemnation. Sentence, at first he used his arts of blandishment and honeyed words in order to lure his boss. 12, imperturbability, noun balance. Synonyms, aplomb, coolness. Antonyms, agitation, anxiety. Sentence, his imperturbability always had the effect of a goad upon his father's temper. 13, augury, noun omen. Synonyms, auspice, harbinger. Antonyms, short-sighted, assurance. Sentence, this incident of his infancy was accepted as an augury of his maturity, and he did not believe it. 14, glib, adjective slick, smooth-talking. Synonyms, artful, facile. Antonyms, stuttering, inarticulate. Sentence, she advises women with similar issues not to settle for glib explanations. 15, ostracism, noun banishment. Synonyms, avoidance, boycott. Antonyms, acceptance, allowance. Sentence, only cruel teachers can follow ostracism and ill-treat their children. 16, repine, verb complain. Synonyms, grumble, lament. Antonyms, appreciate, praise. Sentence, she likes to repine about her colleagues. 17, feint, noun pretense. Synonyms, ruse, bluff. Antonyms, honesty, truth. Sentence, she pretended to be making great efforts to cope up with the course but it was merely a feint. 18, INURE, verb accustom. Synonyms, familiarize, habituate. Antonyms, neglect, soften. Sentence, a continuation of the wrongful exclusion of these Pakistanis from their lands should not inure to the benefit of the wrongdoers. 19. Recondite, adjective mysterious, obscure. Synonyms, arcane, cabalistic. Antonyms, simple, straightforward. Sentence, how else to explain the popularity of a novel so free of plot, so obsessed with existential rumination and for recondite philosophy? 20. Abstruse, adjective difficult to understand. Synonyms, esoteric, perplexing. Antonyms, lucid, clear. Sentence, don't get into abstruse task and don't bite off more than you can chew. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.